mo yun, no? Something like that, no? So, this is very big, no, for some of you, no, mga water signs natin, right? No? So, napakaganda, right? No? So, what else? Tingnan naman natin. Pagdating sa inyong love situation, no, anong meron? Tingnan natin. Pagdating sa inyong love situation, so, kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Person on your mind. Let's see. So, you have this, no, narcissist, backstabber, no? So, meron kayong kadil na narcissistic person dito. A backstabber, a manipulator, controlling person, and what else? So, I'm not attracted, no? So, meron dito, no? That's why, no? For some of you, you are dealing with a narcissistic person.